This particular location specializes in sending out you all the transmission parts that you need, and we got Miss Kelly. Hand bump action, Miss Kelly. Good to see you.
Good
So
to see you.
tell us about, that's an empty box right there.
Yes.
The orders come in, and what are you doing with transmission parts?
Basically what I do is I just put together the friction modules, the steel modules, any pistons that are needed.
If I call and I need a transmission built, you can put a kit together for that.
Absolutely.
This warehouse is huge. There's a lot of parts, a lot of transmission parts. Tell us about some of the lines that you carry.
We carry Borg Warner, we carry Exity clutches, we carry SPX Filtran filters. We also carry a lot of AC Delco and Borg Warner aftermarket solenoids. We also carry Roster, which is a decent aftermarket solenoid.
Right, now listen, we got a lot of people from back east listening and watching. You're from Massachusetts. What are you missing about Massachusetts here in the desert?
Food and water. Good pizza, good Italian food, good seafood, and the ocean.
That's it.